Right, so the document's HTML markup is located in the first part, along with the beginning and closing tags for the HTML head and body elements. It also contains the document type declaration, a solitary div element with the class circle is contained within the body element. In the second section of the code, we have the style information for the page. It starts with the body element styled with a few properties. The display property is set to flex to allow for centering the circle element. The align items and justify content properties are set to center the element both horizontally and vertically. The background property is set to this, which is a dark bluish-gray color to provide a dark background for the page. Finally, the min height property is set to 300 pixels to give the page a minimum height. The circle class collection of styles is the following. The div element that we previously specified receives this class. It is a small circle with dimensions of 50 pixels in both width and height. This color is a more subdued variation of the backdrop color, has been chosen as the background color. Right. The element is made into a perfect circle by setting the border radius property to 50 pixels, percent. The position attribute is set to relative so that the pseudo elements before and after can be positioned in relation to the circle element. The before method, which is this, has the top and lower sides of the 3D effect, which is made using a pseudo element. It is a non-visible element because its content attribute is set to an empty string. To place it in relation to its parent, the circle element, the position is set to absolute. It is bigger than the circle element due to the 150 pixels width and height properties. The circle element is given a contrasting color by having the background attribute set to this, which is a teal blue color. It is rotated 45 degrees and moved to the circular element's upper left corner using the transform property. The circle element's shadow effect is created by the box shadow property, and the Z index property determines the layering order of the element. The edges of the 3D effect are made using the after pseudo element. Its location property is set to absolute. Its width and height properties are set to 400 pixels and 150 pixels respectively, and its content property is set to an empty string. The color of the before element is used as the backdrop property setting. It is moved slightly up and to the left of the circular element using the transform property. It is positioned behind the other components by setting the Z-index property to -2.